Hello and welcome to part 6, where we'll begin our tour of the reports available through Focus Lite. Most of the reports provide a preview window where we get an idea of what the end report will look like. Primarily, we can click on the columns to change the sort order of the contents, dependent upon the necessary information being displayed. So, here we are looking at the payroll report. We have a number of options, but basically we're selecting a date range from January to December 2008 and a group of employees to report upon. In its basic form, the payroll report shows the total amount of time worked at each rate of pay. Wherever we have a drop-down arrow, such as here, there are further variations of the report available. For example, the payroll detail report will show all the clockings as well as the totals, hence providing more information which may or may not be relevant. All of the reports within Focus Lite can either be simply printed or saved in an MS Excel format, which subsequently can be edited further and saved to a set location within an internal system. Focus Lite can also export reports to an external payroll package known as Sage. This will enable payroll completion to be accomplished to a high accuracy and within a relatively short timescale. Moving on, the timesheets report is used for weekly information only. It is similar to the previously viewed payroll report. We also have an additional option here to produce a condensed report that tries to fit as many timesheets on a page as possible, which is always more economic when printing large amounts of employee data. The infringements report shows over a specified date range the number of instances of different types of infringement. Infringements include late in, early out, late in from a break, early out to a break, break overrun, and forgotten to clock out. These are all lined up at the top of the report. We can view the same report graphically as well. This might help to highlight problems within certain groups or individuals. There we go. The total hours worked report also has a number of variations. In the basic text view, we can view the range of the total amount of time worked by each employee at each rate within a specified date range. We can also view this graphically. We can view the total time worked, say for everyone or a group or a selection of employees, as both a pie chart and a bar chart. This might highlight when an excessive amount of overtime has been worked, for example, and a manager may consider taking more staff on to reduce the additional overtime payments they are making. So we'll stop here and we'll conclude our tour of the reports and software altogether in part 7.